In this video, I am going to teach you how to design this advertising poster in Photoshop, so stay with me until the end of the video. Go to Select. Click on the subject. Press Ctrl T and resize. Press Ctrl T. Then right-click and click on Perspective option. Mask the layer with the brush tool. Delete the lines. To create shadows, create a new layer and shade with a brush. Click on Hue Saturation and choose the desired color. Set the layer mode to Hue. Create a new layer. With the brush tool, paint the desired color around the subject. To create more shine, click on Exposure. Set the layer mode to Overlay. So that the subject's color matches the environment, use the Curves option. With the crop tool, cut around the poster. Select all layers. Right-click and click the Convert to Smart Object option. Go to Filter, click on Camera Raw Filter, and adjust the color and light. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.